Welcome to another episode of Blonde in the Kitchen. Today my mom will be making a very popular Eastern European dish called Vareniki. These are potato stuffed dumplings. To make the dough for these dumplings, we use eggs, water, oil, salt, and flour. Exact measurements for this dough will be in the description box down below this video, along with all the other measurements and ingredients needed to make these dumplings. Once your dough is done, let it rest for at least an hour while you make your potato filling. So there are two parts to making the filling. It's mixing up your boiled potatoes with garlic, salt, and black pepper, and then there's frying your yellow onions, which I've had these without the yellow onions and it's just not the same. Having the fried yellow onions in the filling gives so much flavor that is, in my opinion, very necessary for vareniki. After you've mixed your potatoes with your salt, pepper, and garlic powder, you can start to heat up your pan and get your onions fried until nice and golden. When you get to the point that your onions look nice and golden like this, you could turn off the pan, add the onions to the potatoes, and definitely give this a good mix. It's time to roll out our dough before we fill our dumplings. And we like to roll our dough to about 1/4 of an inch thickness. When your dough is rolled out to the thickness that you like, go ahead and cut out circles and prepare your dough for filling. So with filling these, everybody's different. We like to add a teaspoon. My grandma adds like a good tablespoon and a half, and somehow they don't pop by her, but it's really up to you how much filling you'd like to add. And closing these up, you just pinch the sides and add some flour to your surface so that when you set down your already made dumpling, see, there's some sprinkling of flour there on the right side. You set it down and it doesn't stick to your surface. Now that they are all made and ready to go, we have boiling water with about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of oil in it, and we add our dumplings to the water. Give the water a stir so that the dumplings don't get stuck to the bottom. And once these rise up to the top, let them boil for about a minute more and they're good to go. These could also be pan fried. They're honestly delicious either way. Once these are boiled, you're left with that dilemma of how do you really want to eat these? I mean, you could eat them boiled like this, you could fry them in butter or oil, you could top it with sour cream, you could top them with caramelized onions, which is what we're going to do real soon. I sometimes like to have them with sour cream and vareniki. Vareniki is like a liquid form of jam, and it's just, I mean, any way you have it, it's delicious. I'd like to thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you've enjoyed, and leave a comment down below.
Yours truly, Blonde in the Kitchen.